Yo, Weather Fam! Kamusta? Liam here, dala ang latest at mainit-init na forecast for April 23rd. Walang bagyo, no LPA. At dahil sa easterlies, asahan na ang mainit at maalinsangang vibes sa buong bansa. Heat Index Alert, Metro Manila, 41 degrees Celsius. Dagupan City, Pangasinan, 45 degrees Celsius. Danger level mga bes, kaya please hydrate, stay shaded, and bring that umbrella. Sa Mindanao, especially Davao Region, Zamboanga Peninsula, Basilan, Sulu, at Tawi-Tawi, may chance ng makulimlim na langit at thunderstorms dala ng ITCZ. So again, umbrella is a must. The rest of the country, sunny pero may pa-surprise na isolated rain showers sa hapon at gabi. Kaya be weather ready tayo. Always. Sunset today, 6:11 p.m. Huwag kalimutang mag-photo sesh sa golden hour. This is Liam, your tropang weather bro. Rain or shine, we got you. Manila Weather PH.